Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's dig in the garden. Here I'm showing you Helianthus microcephalus lemon queen. It's a late flowering perennial. It's member of the sunflower family, and it's also a member of the genus sunflower genus. And it grows to about 7-8 feet tall. It's about 2.5 meters and it flowers from August till the frost, and bees love them. So it's a 3-year-old plant now, so it's quite big. And I didn't stake it because I don't like to stake plants. But this plant didn't receive any supplemental irrigation this year, and it's still full of flowers because it has thick roots which can hold water. And you can see the seed heads are already ripening and the bees collecting pollen. So it's a lovely plant, and it doesn't spread really much. It makes a clump, but it doesn't spread. You can divide a clump in spring or take basil cuttings and they will root readily for you. It's not just only honeybees, but flies and wild bees like it, because as you know, honeybees are domesticated animals and they cannot live without human intervention. But the wild bees are really wild animals, and we should strive to protect them and give them space to live and plant plants which are beneficial for them. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.